In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice on Wix 2026 Guide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create and send a professional invoice right from your Wix dashboard. First, sign in to your Wix account and open the dashboard for the site you want to bill from. On the left panel, move your cursor over the Getting Paid section to reveal your payment tools. Click Invoices to open the invoicing workspace. If this is your first time here, you'll see a quick setup screen. Click Get Started. Wix may prompt you to confirm business details like your address, currency, or tax settings. Review those now so they appear correctly on every invoice and save you edits later. Begin by choosing a contact. Pick an existing client from your list, or add a new contact if the person or company isn't saved yet. Accurate contact info ensures the invoice is delivered and that future invoices are even faster to prepare. Next, fill in the invoice details. Wix usually generates an invoice number automatically, but you can edit it to match your internal numbering. Set the invoice date and choose a due date that matches your terms. Add line items for the products or services you're charging for. Give each item a clear description, set the quantity and price, and apply taxes or discounts as needed. If you collect sales tax or VAT, make sure your tax rate is correct so totals are calculated properly. Use the notes or footer area to add payment instructions, terms, or a short thank you to set expectations. Take a moment to review everything: client name, items, totals, currency, and due date. When it looks good, click Send Invoice. You can send it by email directly from Wix, include a brief personalized message, and share a payment link so your client can pay online. If you're not ready to send, save it as a draft and return later. After sending, the invoice appears in your list with a clear status. You can track when it's viewed, resend it if needed, and record payment once it's received. That's it! You've created and sent a polished Wix invoice, ready to be paid.